可能，可能。
Maybe. Perhaps. Probably.
Maybe. Perhaps. Probably.
他不在家，可能去看电影了。他不在家，可能去看电影了。
She's not at home, she may have gone to the movies.
She's not at home, she may have gone to the movies.
明天那场比赛，他可能会赢。明天那场比赛，他可能会赢。
In tomorrow's game, he might win.
In tomorrow's game, he might win.
我可能选错了。我可能选错了。
I may have picked the wrong one.
I may have picked the wrong one.
他可能忘记了。你最好提醒他一下。他可能忘记了。你最好提醒他一下。
He may have forgotten. You'd better remind him.
He may have forgotten. You'd better remind him.
这个时候他可能不在家。这个时候他可能不在家。
He may not be at home at this time.
He may not be at home at this time.
那里可能有30个人。那里可能有30个人。
There were maybe 30 people there.
There were maybe 30 people there.
可能我明天不来上班了。可能我明天不来上班了。
Maybe I won't come to work tomorrow.
Maybe I won't come to work tomorrow.
可能他会来他的婚礼。可能他会来他的婚礼。
Maybe he will come to her wedding.
Maybe he will come to her wedding.
可能明天会下雨。足球比赛会被取消。可能明天会下雨。足球比赛会被取消。
Maybe it will rain tomorrow, and the football match will be cancelled.
Maybe it will rain tomorrow, and the football match will be cancelled.
我可能会在晚上8点之前到家。我可能会在晚上8点之前到家。
I'll probably be home by 8 p.m.
I'll probably be home by 8 p.m.
我可能会去。我可能会去。
I'm probably going.
I'm probably going.
他可能很快就会来。他可能很快就会来。
She will probably come soon.
She will probably come soon.
他没有来上课。可能生病了。他没有来上课。可能生病了。
She didn't come to class. She was probably sick.
She didn't come to class. She was probably sick.
他可能不知道你要来。他可能不知道你要来。
She probably didn't know you were coming.
She probably didn't know you were coming.
谢谢观看。